Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, giving you guys another review, another one. I'm sorry, but you know, it's quite a few new products coming out, and I want to use them and try them out and give you guys my thoughts on them. Why? Because that's what my channel is about. So the palette that we're going to be reviewing is the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette, and I did one look already just because I wanted to. It's on my Instagram. This is the palette here. These are the shades. But yeah, I'm gonna do some swatches and we're gonna do a makeup look. I don't know what look we're gonna do, but we're gonna do something. And yeah, before we get into this video, I'm like all over the place right now. I just had a lot of sugar, so please bear with me. But before we get into this video, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Like right now, don't even bother doing it before you do it now. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you like reviews, first impressions, all that good jazz. And please follow all of my other social medias, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram. Alright, so this is the beautiful palette that Jeffree Star has done for the summer. I personally love Jeffree Star's palettes. I have all of them. The formulas, the pigmentations, everything has been so great. So I'm excited to see how this one is. And the reason why is because like these are really light shades. Like these are like really light pastel transition-y type shades, and then you have your entire center row filled with, I would say, like more so foiled. They look foiled, like foiled shadows, very very shimmery intense shadows. So I definitely have no doubt about these. These here, I just want to see how they look as far as how light they are, or if they show up richer on the eye than they look on the pan, as well as the color shades as well. So we're gonna do some swatchy dots. Damn, like always, I always forget freaking wipe or something. But anyway, I'll just wipe it on my damn hands. I mean on my pants. So I'm gonna go in with the first row. So we have Parched, we have Taste Buds, that's really light. We have Beige. Ooh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. And then we have Kumquat. That's the first four. I would like to know what that means. Kumquat. Huh. Alright. Then let me just grab Stroke, because that's the last shade on the first row. So that's Stroke. Then we're gonna go ahead and do the shimmers. Jeffree's shadows are always very very creamy and buttery, so just touching them, ooh, that one's more grittier. Okay, so this one is Divine, a beautiful silver. That one definitely feels like a foiled shadow, nice and smooth. This one is Filthy Rich. This one is a lot more glittery. Like you have your gold with silver glittered reflex in it. I don't know how to describe that one. I didn't watch his summer collection video. I know I suck because I watch all of them, but I've been very busy, so kind of missed out on that one. This one is Lick, a deeper gold. And then this one is Snatched, another chunkier glittery formula. I would say this is more like a pressed glitter. That's what it kind of reminds me of. And this one is like a rose gold shade with silver reflex in it. And then the last one I feel like is the same. It's called Plunge. That one's a very beautiful coppery with the same silver, you know, type of reflex in it. And then we're gonna do the last row. This blue is what I'm excited about the most. Yes. Okay, so we have subtle. I hate pronouncing words like that. That's subtle, the last one there. We have quench, submerge, splash. Woo! Splash is beautiful. And then drizzle. Drizzle is the last one. The beautiful chocolate. Okay, so the blues are definitely like my fave in the palette, as well as that silver and that rose gold shade. But those are all the shades swatched. Look at that. Look at, oh my gosh, do you see it? The reflect? Oh, yes. So we're gonna wipe this off, and then I'm gonna come back and we're going to get to the makeup look. Alright, you guys, I am back. Alright, so my base is done. That is because I just did another video for another review. It's the Colourpop No Filter foundation, setting powder, all that good stuff. So I will leave it, I think it's going to be on this side or on this side. Maybe this side. I'll leave it in the cards for you guys so you guys can check that out. But I'm just going to go in and prep the eyes. And I'm going to just use my Colourpop No Filter Concealer as the base today. Just gonna take my sponge and just blend that out. Like, I like this concealer as an eye base, but for me as a regular concealer it just doesn't work. Excuse me, my contact had just like got out of place. Alright, so that's that. Take a sip of my drink. You guys, I'm like very pumped today. I just had some cinnamon and lace from Taco Bell, so I'm just like I'm gonna just take a little bit of the translucent powder from Colourpop to catch any fallout that may happen, you know, just in case. Because I do want to use the shimmers, and I feel like they may have a little bit of fallout. Okay, I'm just gonna do that much. Alright, and now let's get to this. Alright, so I'm gonna take my Morphe E28 blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Quench, which is that yellow shade, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade today. So I'm gonna go ahead. It's a lot on the brush. Alright. I'm just gonna pack this where I want it first before blending it out. So far on the eye, just that one time, you can definitely see the yellow shade. My concern more so is how it will hold up while blending, like blending the other shadows together with it. Because some companies, you know, you get a shade that just kind of disappears once you apply other ones. So I just want to see how this is going to turn out. So I just blended it out myself, and it's very light. So it's definitely a light pastel yellow. It's not like a true like yellow. So I feel like if you want it to really like pop up, you definitely have to pack it on a lot, as what I am doing here. Alright, I think that's good. Alright, so next I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna take my Kylie brush, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Kumquat, just that shade here, and I'm gonna put that into the crease. I feel like I want to mess with the blues, but I don't know yet. So I'm putting this right into the crease and blending it in and upward with that yellow as well. Now, no doubt these mattes, you know, blend beautiful. I'm not having any issues with them. They blend so well. These are definitely like summer shades. Now I'm gonna go in, just to kind of deepen up the crease a little more, I'm gonna go in with the shade Stroke. It's a deeper shade than from Kumquat, and we're gonna just put that right in the outer crease to deepen it more. Alright, so that's what we have so far. I kind of want to play with the blues, but I feel like with this here, I'm gonna use this shade, the more aqua-like blue. Alright, so I'm gonna cut my crease, and sorry for the rudeness of people just being outside, loud. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my flat shader brush and cut the crease. Alright. Got what? I'm going to take the shade Submerge, and we're going to pack that on the lid. I'm gonna take some more of Divine and bring this down here just to open up the eye more. Then I'm also gonna take drizzle, which is that dark chocolate brown, and line the actual lash line. Just as so. So I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and then I'll be back. I may do some glitter, I don't know yet, but yeah, let me do the other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so both eyes done. I tried to get them as even as possible, but I feel like I always have issues with this eye because my eye shape is different on this side. But you can leave it like this if you like. I'm gonna be a little extra and put some blue glitter on top of the lid. Now this one is a little dark, so I'm gonna use this like very sparingly, just to kind of give the look a little bit more dimension, right? And the glitter that I'm using is from what is it? Cutie Pop. I don't want to get the name wrong. Because her Instagram name is so long. Where is it? Cutie Pop Glitzy Glitters. That's her Instagram name. So that's where I got this glitter from. Oh, duh, Rose. No wonder why it's not sticking. Such an idiot. I put no glue on my lids.
Mommy, I want hat you. Mommy, I want hat you.
Alright, baby, hold on. There you go. My son wants some cinnamon delights. Alright, so I'm going to go back in that glitter now that I got a little bit of glue. And just lightly dip my brush in. Alright you guys, so this is the final look here. That wing though, like, come on. Come on. Yes, so I really did enjoy this palette just how I enjoyed all of his other palettes. The shades, the formula, the pigmentation, everything is there. It's literally an amazing palette. The quality is top notch as always. I feel like Jeffree always does a great job at his palettes. This is definitely a palette that I would go to if I want a very soft summery look, but with color, because these blues, and even that pink shade, like that salmon pink shade, like, just amazing. The yellow is amazing as well. I like it because it's a very soft yellow. It's not too overpowering and can take away from the look, especially if you're using it as a transition shade. So I did really like it. And yeah, like, it blends so well, and I feel like adding that blue glitter just definitely even made the look, you know, more va-va-voom. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that little bell as well down below. That way you guys can get notified every time I upload a video. Follow me on all of my other social media platforms for behind the scenes and things that I do not post here on YouTube. Yeah, that is pretty much it, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah!